What's up guys, welcome to Spice Life. I'm Shams and today we're gonna get extra cheesy with our dips. Let's get started. So all we have to do first is roughly chop up our artichoke. Blanch some spinach here. You could just use fresh spinach, but just roughly cut them and make sure there's no moisture in them. Just blanch them for 1 to 2 minutes and squeeze out all the moisture. Add the jalapeno. It'll cut through that cheese and it'll add that little kick. This is not gonna be spicy. Throw in our cream cheese, add our artichokes, add our spinach. Throw in the jalapeños, our garlic, a little bit of pepper flakes for that kick. You know how I like it a little spicy. Now add a little bit of pepper flake. Then we have half cup of mozzarella and half cup of Parmesan. And then all we're gonna do is mix this up. I'm gonna mix this in. A bit of salt, fresh ground pepper, just a little bit. Add it into our oven safe dish, and I'm just gonna add to half of it because the other half's gonna be buffalo chicken dip. Now we got the buffalo chicken dip. So of course I'm gonna start with chicken. So I have a roasted chicken here. If you wanna bake it, go ahead. Just to save time, got a store-bought one. So all you gotta do is peel off the skin, the breast. Guys, I can't help myself. This is so good, especially the skin. Can't resist a good oven roasted chicken. Now that we have the chicken all shredded, just gonna add it to our bowl. Cream cheese, a cup of cheddar jack. Those are half cup each. We're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. Sprinkle in some salt. A little of cracked black pepper. Half cup of ranch. Or just squeeze it in. Cup of red hot. I got the extra hot here because I like it extra hot. I'm gonna add that in. Some lemon zest. Add in blue cheese if you like. Not a fan of blue cheese, so I'm not gonna add that in. But you do you, boo boo. That's all, mix and go. Gonna grate some fresh Parmesan on top of the Spinach Artichoke Dip. Oh yeah. Cheddar jack on top of the buffalo. That's beautiful. And some fresh thyme. Beautiful aromatic flavor when it bakes in the oven. And it's ready to go. Turn that oven to 375 degrees. 75 degrees. For 25 to 30 minutes. We don't have that nice golden brown on top, so we're gonna broil it for 2 to 3 minutes to get that nice texture. Alright, let's check this out. Yeah, look at that. Let's try this out, guys. Spinach artichoke dip and the buffalo chicken dip. Look at that. spinach artichoke dip is creamy, but it's perfectly balanced with that spinach and the jalapeno cutting through that richness. So good. Now we're gonna try out the buffalo chicken. The buffalo flavor isn't overpowering, taking over the creaminess of the cream cheese, and the depth of flavor that you get from these dips is perfect. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like cheesy dips. Let me know in the comment below who you're going for, Tom Brady or my boy Mahomes. I'll see you next time.